Hey there, I've got a question for you. What is the coolest thing that you've ever seen produced with Matplotlib? For me, these dolphins are definitely on the list. Can you believe this was made with Matplotlib? One of the critical factors to make this dolphin plot is to add a shape to your figures using Matplotlib's patches module. And we won't quite get to the dolphin level in this video, but I will be showing you how to add shapes to your Matplotlib figures. So I'll just import the pyplot module as well as NumPy, and then I'm going to create some random data that I can plot. And here's a scatter plot of those data. If I'd like to add a rectangle to this plot, I first need to import the rectangle class. So that can be found in the patches module from Matplotlib. Now that I've got the rectangle class imported, I can create an instance of this class, and what I need to supply here, first I need to let Matplotlib know where the bottom left corner will be, and then how wide and how tall my rectangle will be. I'll save that as this variable rect, and then I can go ahead and put that onto my Matplotlib figure. So the way I do that is first reference the axes of my current figure. There are a couple ways to do this, but one way is to grab your current axes, so that's GCA, and then to those axes we're going to add a patch. And we can pass our rectangle object directly through to this add patch function. You'll see this rectangle is indeed 8 units wide and 12 units tall. One issue is obviously this rectangle is filled in, so I'm going to have a very hard time seeing the data behind it. So if we'd like to have this rectangle not filled in, we just need to reference this argument called fill and set that to false. Now we'll see just the outline of the rectangle instead. And there's lots of other properties here that you can use to style this rectangle. For example, you could tilt it by an angle of 15 degrees. And there are lots of other classes within this patches module, so let's try out one more. Let's say we want to add a circle to our figure instead. So from Matplotlib's patches module, we'll import the circle class. I'm also going to set my styling here. I'm just going to update all of the figures that I'll be making to have a width of 6 and a height of 6. I really just want that square figure so I can show you that I am building a true circle here. So let's go ahead and create a circle object. So the syntax here is slightly different. The items that we need to pass into this circle are the center of the circle along with a radius value, and that radius value is in units of your figure. So let's say that the radius for our circle will be 4 units. And same syntax as we saw before, we just need to reference the current axes, add a patch, and pass in that circle object. If we increase that radius to, let's say, 6, now we'll see a slightly bigger circle. And just like the rectangle, you can make this circle have just the border by referencing that fill argument and setting that to false. So you may be wondering why you would want to add a shape to your figures. Well, for me, it's all about communication. So you may want to highlight a particular point on your figure, or perhaps cordon off an entire region. And I find shapes particularly useful when I want to draw attention to several observations. So for example, in this scatter plot, a simple arrow just wouldn't do the trick. And there's so much more that you can do with these patches. There are other shapes, like this ellipse, where the arguments are now the center, width, and height. And you can do additional styling as well. There's also this regular polygon. These arguments are the center and the number of sides you'd like. I'll put some links in the description bar below so that you can explore even further. So thanks so much for joining me. If you have any additional questions, feel free to leave me a comment below. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit subscribe so that you can learn more about Matplotlib tips in the future. See you then.